Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today's video is a short video. I just want to take you through where you can get African foods in the UK. This shop you can see here, they have gari, they have Nigerian food, they have almost every African food you could think of. The shop is located in Stapleton Road in Bristol. Stapleton Road is a very long road where you find all these urban foods. You can find also Polish food and Asian food as well in these shops. Guys, this Nigerian shop have almost everything you could think of. They have pounded yam, they have fufu, they have palm nut soup, they have palm nuts, they have almost everything. Like when I went there, I feel like I'm very close to Ghana. You know, I got myself some gari and some semolina and also some pounded yam. I also got Scott bonnet here, which we call papuchito. So I'm preparing some food this week. Hopefully I will try to create a content with what I got from here. So make sure you contact the number if you find yourself in Bristol or you live near to Bristol. Contact this shop. It's in Stapleton Road. Please check them out. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Consider liking the video and subscribing and sharing on Facebook and WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye for now.